So hello friends, so we will be continuing the classification of shares. So a major type of classification is based on market capitalization. Market capitalization is the total amount the company is worth if all the shares are combined. So although there is no such clear cut distinction between small cap, mid cap, large cap, or there is not any line uh, above which there is large cap and below which there is mid cap. ऐसी कोई पत्थर की लकीर नहीं खींच के रखी है अपन ने कि उसके आगे लार्ज कैप और उसके नीचे मिड कैप. There can always be overlaps between mid cap and large cap, but मोटा मोटा अपन ये कह सकते हैं कि यूजुअली more than 10,000 crore market capitalization falls under large cap. From 200 crore to 10,000 crore falls under mid cap, and less than 200 crore falls under small cap. Now, in which company should we invest our money? So let's take a scenario. Suppose there is a 5 lakh crore company. It is a large cap company. So what do you think? Can it become a 50 lakh crore company in 5 years or 5 6 years, right? So there is a very low probability, because if the market capitalization of company is high, very high, then we can safely assume that the company has already conquered the most of the market, right? They have already saturated their expansion rate, right? So they will you give a normal 15 16% return is what you can expect, but doubling every year is not what you would expect with large cap companies, right? But in large cap companies, your money is more safe, right? The risk factor is low. It's less likely that the company will fall, right? So, but when I talk about small cap or mid cap, then uh, you can say that there is a nice chance of return, but there are relatively high risk, because it is a high chance that a small cap company is maybe on its downfall, right? But the potential of growth is very high in a small cap as compared to large cap, but again the risk factor is also very high in the small cap uh, comparison to large cap or mid cap. So if you are it all depends on a risk appetite. If you are investing for some cause and you can't afford to take risk, then large cap might be a better option. But if you can take risk, if you are 20 years old, 21 years old, and you think you can take some risk, 30 years old, you can take some risk, then you can uh, check out the details of a company and value it with the help of tools that we will be discussing further, and you can invest in a small cap or mid cap company after complete knowledge about the company, right? अंधाधुन ऐसे पैसा इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर देना स्मॉल कैप में कि बहुत पोटेंशियल राइज करने का. फर्स्ट वी विल completely analyze what is the potential of a particular company, then only we will invest. So I think it is enough. Thank you. सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.